prime focus of education these days is differentiating instruction, which means driving instruction in different ways to different students. And the lower school at Greensboro Day, the faculty does an amazing job of understanding the students and making sure that it's not one or two or even three approaches to delivering instruction in the classroom, but they truly understand kids and make sure that each kid is learning at their level, but also absorbing the information in the way that is most conducive to their learning needs. Two things were very striking to me. I walked into a third grade classroom, Gwen Lowe's, and I noticed that there were groups of children doing very different things, but I could tell by just observing the conversations that the content was the same. And it wasn't that they were working in stations, but kids who were talking about stuff very well together were talking about the content. Children who like to sit and ponder and write were sitting and writing. So I noticed the same content going on in very different methods of instruction at the same time. The second thing that happened is I walked into the math lab, which is a very special part of the lower school at Greensboro Day in my perspective, and I asked the two math specialists if they could explain to me what they would do with a particular type of student, my son, and gave them a very brief description. I happened to have a friend's daughter with me touring schools, and they sat down with my friend's daughter, my goddaughter, and showed me all the different ways that they would instruct a particular topic to a child with that particular learning style.